Hey, monsters! Let's play Would You Rather Animals Edition. Let's go! Would you rather swim with a shark or swim with a jellyfish? Would you rather have a clingy animal or have an independent animal? Can you guess the animal by the emojis? It's bulldog! What do you find the cutest, a blue-eyed dog or a blue-eyed cat? Long-haired dog or short-haired dog? What is the name of this animal? Catfish! Would you rather eat dog food or cat food? Would you rather find insects or reptiles in your bed? Can you guess this animal? Polar bear! Pick one, kick one. Huh, cat or banana cat? Would you rather have to fight a kangaroo or fight a shark? Would you rather have a pet scorpion or a pet spider? Can you guess the animal by these emojis? Squirrel! Would you rather ride on a camel in Egypt or visit Antarctica to see the penguins? Would you rather play with a tiger or play with a panda? Can you identify this animal? Bear! Would you rather find a skunk or raccoon in your room? What do you like better, a giant aquarium or a giant terrarium? Do you prefer having a pigeon as a messenger or a parrot you can talk to? What is the name of this animal? Sheepdog! Pet snake or pet tarantula? What do you like better, lions or tigers? Do you want to have a rooster or a parrot? Would you rather have a chinchilla or a guinea pig as a pet? What is your guess? Seal! Would you choose corgis or poodles? Would you rather have a Shiba Inu or a Golden Retriever? Would you rather have a clownfish or an exotic fish? Can you guess it? Pig! Would you rather put cute and funny clothing on your pet or never put clothes on your pet? Pick one, kick one. Black cat or yellow cat? Would you rather adopt a wild lion as a pet or comment your favorite animal? Can you guess the animal by the emojis? Starfish! Communicate with birds or communicate with fish? Would you rather give up your pet or like this video? Would you have an indoor fish tank or a fish pool outside your home? Would you rather live in the jungle or live in the forest? Pick one, kick one. Megalodon shark or Argentavis bird? Can you guess this animal? Peacock! Would you rather have the speed of a pronghorn or the speed of a cheetah? Which one would you like to have, a pet owl or a pet falcon? Would you rather be blind like a mole or deaf like a jellyfish? Are you more of a dog person or a cat person? Would you rather be a flying squirrel or a flying fish? Have a parrot that gives compliments or a parrot that tells jokes? Which animal skull is this? Cheetah! What do you like better, hamsters or gerbils? Would you rather ride a horse or ride a camel? Chameleon that changes colors or jellyfish that glows in the dark? Would you rather pet a baby hedgehog or a baby marmot? What about this one? Shark! Would you rather have a baby giraffe or a baby panda? Would you rather have playful dogs or playful cats? Would you rather have chicks or ducklings? Would you rather listen to birds singing or the purring of a cat? Which animal is this? A kangaroo! Would you rather play with baby polar bears or red panda babies? What do you like better, talking to cats or talking to dogs? Would you rather have a pet that scratches the wall or a pet that chews on your shoes? Would you choose to adopt an animal or buy an animal from a breeder? Do you want a dwarf pig or baby sheep? In a fantasy world, would you rather be a swan or a wolf? Can you recognize this one? A rhino! Climb trees like a monkey or dig tunnels like a mole? What do you like better, ponies or horses? Would you rather have the hearing of a bat or the eyesight of an eagle? Would you rather have the ability to fly or swim effortlessly like a fish? Would you rather have a big aquarium or big bird cage? Go on a safari or go scuba diving? Would you rather have a baby penguin or baby koala? This one's tricky. It's a sheep. Would you rather have a small dog or big dog? What do you like better, zebra print or a leopard print? Would you rather see a baby turtle or a baby elephant? Pick one, kick one, cat or dog? Would you rather ride a horse or a donkey? Do you want to have a pet animal or a wild animal as a pet? Would you choose to hug a panda or hug a bear? Would you rather be chased by a lion or a rhino? Would you rather have a spider in your room or a mosquito in your room? Would you rather be able to breathe underwater or just able to hold your breath for a long time? Do you want to communicate with animals or speak every language of the world? Would you rather have a snake as your pet or a monkey as your pet? Pick one, kick one. Squirrel or rabbit? Would you rather have the memory of a goldfish or have the wisdom of an owl? How did it go? Comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe.